What's going on, world? DS1 Ross, and I'm back. Shout out to everybody, man. I just want to do this quick unboxing video, and I want to let everybody know who support this channel. I definitely appreciate it. Shout out to everybody who hit that Cash App, who hit that Super Chat, who hit that subscribe button, who share all the streams. I appreciate all the love, man. Your brother DS1 definitely appreciate it. So I want to share what I got. You know, shout out to the supporters, man. Y'all definitely helped me get this, man. Mainly one supporter. You know who you are, brother. I appreciate it. You know, we definitely got other masculine mercenaries out here who support brothers. And blessed me with this, man. He was like, yo, I want to see your channel grow, brother. And I want to bless you with this. So shout out to him, man. You know, as you can see, Amazon. As y'all can see, got this good old Knox pop filter for my mic. As y'all can see, for broadcasting and recording. So I got that. I got that. See what else I got up in here. Got these headphones here. Studio headphones, Tascam studio headphones. We're gonna test these out, see how good these are. Snap-in adapter. Let's see. Features: lightweight, closed back design, max power 600. Well, we'll see how these work. Let's see. Headphones. Then, last but not least, is the good old mic. The Yeti. We got the Yeti, y'all. Good old Yeti mic. See it? See what they're talking about. Yeah, I see it here. Infinite possibilities. Let's see. Stereo. Directional. Recording and streaming applications. Gaming, streaming. Skype. and Discord, podcasts. Oh yeah. Y'all see it, y'all. PC and Mac. USB cable included. Had to get the blue one, you know. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. 2020 vision, man. I told y'all. Shout out to the masculine mercenaries. We gonna turn up this year, y'all, on Sheep Stay Sleep TV. So y'all see it here, man. Y'all see it. We got the filter for the mic. Good old pop filter for this good old Yeti right here. I see it right here, y'all. We gonna turn up. We gonna turn up. 2020. Right here on Sheep Stay Sleep TV, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. This is just my new additions to my studio. I appreciate all the support, man. Just know y'all support, you know, is going to a good cause, man. I appreciate it. Much love to y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, share, subscribe. We're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.